Welcome to Happy Fasting Fun. Today we're diving into a topic that's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Fasting and mindful portion control. Nourishing your body with awareness. Intermittent fasting offers a powerful way to regulate your eating patterns, and combining it with mindful portion control can elevate your fasting journey to a new level of mindful eating. Mindful portion control. Mindful eating is the practice of being fully present during meals, paying attention to the flavors, textures, and sensations of each bite. When integrated with fasting, it encourages you to appreciate the nourishment you receive during your eating window and to build a healthier relationship with food. Benefits of mindful portion control. Enhanced satisfaction. Mindful eating allows you to savor every bite, leading to greater satisfaction from your meals. This can help prevent overeating during non-fasting periods. Better digestion. Eating mindfully promotes proper digestion by giving your body time to recognize when it's full, preventing discomfort. Conscious choices. Being aware of portion sizes helps you make conscious choices about the quantity and quality of food you consume, aligning with your fasting goals. Weight management. Mindful portion control can contribute to weight management by preventing mindless eating and promoting balanced consumption. Practical tips for mindful portion control. Serve mindfully. When plating your meals, use smaller plates and bowls to create the illusion of a full plate while controlling portion sizes. Start small. Begin with smaller portions, giving your body a chance to signal when it's satisfied. You can always have more if you're still hungry. Eat slowly. Savor each bite by chewing slowly and fully experiencing the flavors. This allows your brain to catch up with your body's satiety signals. Pause and check in. Midway through your meal, take a moment to assess your hunger levels. This prevents overeating and allows you to honor your body's cues. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals of fullness. Stop eating when you're satisfied, even if there's food left on your plate. Incorporating mindful portion control with fasting. During your eating window, mindful portion control complements your fasting routine. By appreciating your meals and eating slowly, you're not only fueling your body, but also cultivating a sense of gratitude for the nourishment you provide it. Mindful eating aligns perfectly with the intention behind intermittent fasting, promoting conscious, balanced consumption. In conclusion, intermittent fasting and mindful portion control are powerful allies in your journey toward mindful eating and well-being. By being present with your meals, you're nourishing both your body and your mind, fostering a harmonious relationship with food. Thank you for joining us on this insightful episode of Happy Fasting Fun. Remember, each mindful bite brings you closer to a healthier, more balanced way of nourishing yourself. Let's continue to explore the art of mindful eating and its transformative effects on our fasting journeys.